Hi, welcome to TechBossTutors. If you are new to this channel, I'm so glad to have you here. Please subscribe and tap the notification bell to get notified of new videos. Thank you. Today I'm going to show you how to add a text box in Google Docs. Adding a text box in Google Docs is different from how you would add it in Microsoft Word. The text box in Google Docs is hidden within the Drawing tab. So right now we are in Google Docs and we've opened a blank document. So now we want to insert the text box inside this document. Click on Insert. We have different options. Click on Drawing and then click on New. A new page has been opened. Now you have to locate the text box and go through some options. This is the text box. Click on the text box and draw the text box. Can't sync your changes. Alright, so I have to reset this in my Google Drive, but right now I will just revert the changes so we can continue with this video. So click on revert changes and then reload. Alright, so now I will have to redraw the text box. So I'll click on the text box and then redraw. So let's have some text inside this text box. So let's have something like this is a new text box. Alright, so I think this is okay. So let's change the color. Highlights, click on three dots for more options and then change the color. So we now have a different color for this text. Alright, so after doing that, save and close, and now we have the text box inserted in this document. So that's how to insert a text box in a document. If you like to edit your text box, click on Edit and it will open that page where you can edit your text. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, share and subscribe, and I will see you next time.